Hello students, how are you all? Today we will start very important chapter of class 11th. And what is this? Mineral nutrition. And the topic is criteria of essentiality. Okay? Even it is very small, but it is very important topic of this chapter. So what is the criteria of essentiality? कोई चीज़ जरूरी कब होती है? There are the three criterias. Okay? In this it should be absolutely necessary. Okay, absolutely necessary for plants growth and development. The word is absolutely necessary. I'm saying, what does it mean? Means plant will complete the life cycle in presence of this element. First thing, if there is deficiency of this element, then either it will not complete the life cycle or it will not set up its seed. Okay, so the first criteria was absolute essentiality, absolutely necessary. Then the second point is, or second criteria is, it is not replaceable by another element. Okay, you can't replace it. Because why you can't replace it? Because its property can't be act as substitution. Okay, or we can say that if you replace it by some other element, then you will find that the plant will not able to grow properly, or it will not complete its life cycle. As I have said that it is essential. So by supplying another element, you can't replace the essential element. So what was the first? Absolutely necessary. Second, non-replaceable. And what is the third? It should be directly involved in the metabolism of the plant life cycle. Okay, जो पूरी लाइफ प्रोसेस है उसमें डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व होता है. ओके, जो जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है, इन दैट मेटाबॉलिज्म दिस एलिमेंट विल बी डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व. सो absolutely necessary, second non-replaceable, and the third it is directly involved in metabolism. Okay, so it was the criteria of essentiality. Now the third is the next is, on the basis of amount of requirement, these nutrients, these minerals, these nutrients are of two types: macronutrients and micronutrients. Okay, so what is the quantity? If I said that on the basis of requirement, okay, on the basis of quantity, these are macro, means the need in large amount, micro means need in small amount. Okay, so in large amount, if I say in large amount, it means that the per kg of dry matter, it needs more than 10 millimole. Okay, for macromolecule, the requirement is, the quantity requirement is more than 10 millimole. Okay, 10 millimole per kg of dry weight. For micronutrient, it is less than 10 millimole per kg of dry weight. Okay, ये दो थी. Now the essentiality of macronutrient, as I have told you, is having you can say 4 another categories. Okay, we can categorize in 4 different types. How it is going to be essential? Let us see everything. One, what is the first category? These essential elements can be or directly involved in making biomolecules. Okay, we know that what are the biomolecules? Carbohydrate, protein, fat. So these elements are involved in this. Okay, and what are these elements? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Clear? Then the second category can be energy related. Okay, these elements can be involved in producing energy or trapping energy. For example, magnesium, present in chlorophyll, and it helped to trap the solar energy at the time of photosynthesis. Clear? Then second, phosphorus. Phosphorus, it involved in ATP. Clear? So it was the second category. Clear? What was the first? Biomolecule synthesis. Second, energy related. Then third, these elements can inhibit or activate enzymes. Okay, either inhibit or activate the enzymes. Okay, what are these? Let's see some example like zinc. Zinc involved in activation of alcohol dehydrogenase. Okay, clear? Then molybdenum. Molybdenum involved in nitrogen synthesis. Clear? Nitrogenase you will see further. So it is involved in nitrogen synthesis. Then come to the magnesium, which play very important role in rubisco, ribulose, biphosphate, carboxylase you will say, or oxygenase we also say, and PEP, pyruvate enol phosphate. So in these it involved. So the third criteria was either they can increase or inhibit or activate the enzymes. Then the fourth criteria. What is this fourth criteria? It can change, the element can change the osmotic potential. Okay, so change osmotic potential. And the important thing is that the very important element is, you will see potassium, which play very important role in closing and opening of stomata. ठीक? So ये थी पूरी story essentiality की, criteria of essentiality. Clear? हमने देख लिया one by one. Criteria of essentiality तीन थे: absolute, necessary, non-replaceable, and the third was it will be directly involved in metabolism. Then micro and macro. Micro का मतलब क्या है? More than 10 millimole per kg of dry matter it is required, and in case of micro it can be less than 10 millimole per kg of dry matter. Then again the essential elements are categorized or having the four broad categories. Okay, and what are these four broad categories? I have told you. The first, it was directly involved in biomolecules. Second, it was energy related. Third, it was either it can inhibit or activate the enzyme. And fourth, it was can change the osmotic potential. So it was all about this topic. Further, we will discuss some small topic, and gradually we will try to complete the important topics of your biology 11th and 12th step by step. Thank you, students.